Good afternoon. I'm out here in Lompoc, and so this customer called me. She wanted her rain gutters cleaned. Nice house. She was noticed that there's a lot of dirt, sand right here after it rained. Here's the roof here, the garage. And so she thought her gutters were full. So I got up there and I cleaned them. There wasn't too much up there. When I flushed, I put the hose down that drain, it started backing up. So I took out my shovel, traced the pipe, and you can see right there, hopefully, that there's no, it's just a pipe, comes out, there's no trap there so that the water will bubble up. There's another pipe right here, not sure where it's going to go. She's going to call her landscaper. There's no signs here where it is. So basically, maybe someone who put the brick in or whatever, they didn't put the drain back on when they finished the brickwork, I'm not sure. Or maybe when they piped it underground, that's how they left it. There should be a box there where the water goes in and then it bubbles up and it comes up to the surface. So make sure you guys look for yours. If it's piped underground, we have another one over here. Same thing, no drain. Maybe they just laid the pipe down and thought that was good enough. So anyone in the Lompoc area, you need your rain gutters cleaned, give me a call. David Stears, window and rain gutter cleaning, 805-878-1107. And sending a special greetings to Mr. Lopez. Make sure you like and subscribe to the page. Have a good day.